Hello everyone. In this video, we'll build a complete automation in n8n, a form that submits feedback. We store it in master Google Sheet, a switch node that routes it to three category sheets, a scheduled job that reads the sheet and generates a daily summary. So you will see triggers, you see actions, you see conditionals, and a small dash of JavaScript code. So this is the entire tool that we are going to build today. So let's get started. So let's create a new workflow. Now we'll first create a form. For that, on form form we'll use on form submission. Yes, on yeah, here it is. So we'll give it a title. Say customer feedback. Okay. We'll give the description same customer feedback. Now we are going to add the form elements. The form elements like will have name, it will be a text if the field is required or not. Now let's add another one. Say rating, it will be number. It's required. Okay. We can limit this. So, but we are not using any JavaScript for now. Maximum is equal to 1. Sorry, 5. Comma. Minimum is equal to 1. And another one by comments. Will be text required. Keep this optional. We can add another one as email. It will be text. We are not adding any validation for now. Let it be optional. And now what we do is we execute. So these are the form elements. Form elements say test, or we say Rajiv. Say the text is coming as maximum is equal to 5, minimum is equal to 1. So we keep it as 5. Comment will give it as good. Email abc@gmail.com, and let's submit. Okay, now let's check. So the form is working properly. What's the next step? Let's try to add a Google Sheet now. So, Google Sheet, add or update. The authentication I've already done, so I'm not adding it in this video. If you need authentication, just write it in comments. Now, I've already added a worksheet or a Google Sheet in my Google Drive. So I'll add the URL here and it has got only one sheet. Let me rename it actually. Rename it to all comments, responses. Okay. So it's no more sheet 5, it's all responses. We'll not do it manually, we'll map it automatically. Let's execute. So now let's go to the sheet. We can see the data from the form is inserted into this Google Sheet. Okay. Now let's see where is it coming in. Okay, now it's green. Back, see it's green. Now after that we'll use a switch. So we say if the comment is good, again there will be another rule. If the comment is bad, again another rule. If the comments is neutral, let's keep it as 2. Comment is good or bad. Let's execute. Yeah. So the output 0, it's good. Output 1 is got nothing. Now, so we have got 2 conditions. One is good, one is bad. Now let's connect the Google Sheet. Sheets, append rows in sheets. So I've already done this auth and I'll add this. URL. Now there's only one sheet. Let me add another one. Rename it as positive. Let me add another one. Rename it as negative. So let's see. Need to refresh this. Let me close it. Try opening it. Yeah. So good, it will be positive. We'll not map it manually. It will get automatically mapped. Let's execute it. Yep. So we can see, yeah, the data got inserted. Now let's create this one. Google Sheet. Append. Now we have to add the URL of the Google Sheet. And here in the drop down, select negative. Okay, let's execute. Node executed successfully. Now back. So now let's test. We'll give a bad data test by bad comments test @gmail.com. So you can see how it's flowing. So let's check. So you can see the conditions are working properly in the switch node. Let's try again. Testing. Positive. So 5. Good. Testing. So let's see. Not work. Let's see. Okay. It did not work at all. Let's try again. Testing. Okay, 5. Good. abc@gmail.com and submit. So it's working. Yeah. So now you can see it has inserted in all response and it should come here. So it's working fine now. Now we'll create a scheduler. So scheduler, figure this one. We can say that the scheduler should work or create the report at around 6 p.m. every day. So execute. Yeah, it's executing fine. So this is the one. What should it read? It should read the Google Sheet. The data is in the Google Sheet. Let's say URL. I will say I want the data from all responses. All responses, the sheet, all responses. No, actually, I don't need to append, I need to get the data information. So it's Google Sheets and then get rows. So then this should be get rows and URL and then all responses. Execute. So it's extracting. Okay. So it says it has got 4 items. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now we can also add a date. Date, time, date, I think this is the one. The formatted date. You can also format a date. Say example, you want date for only today. Then you can use this format. Say I want it in this one or in YYMMDD format. Okay. But for now, I'm just skipping the conditions, as in the filter condition. We can add a filter condition like this. Filter. Say date formatted is equal to say dollar today. Execute. So the condition is not working properly because this syntax is not correct. So we need to check. So this is how we do. For now, we are just keeping off this filter command and using this code. So here you can add the JavaScript code. I have already extracted the code. This is already tested by me, so I know this should work. And here you can download the report. So let's try to run the schedule job, execute. Okay, so now you can download it from here and see. So there are 3 positive, 1 negative, and 0 neutral. I've not added the neutral condition in this switch node, but we can do it. So if you need this code to test, just add it in the comments or write in the comments and I'll send you this code. So this is a small demo just to understand the various nodes that we can use and how we can create a workflow in n8n. For credentials, here you have to create a credentials here, the client ID, and when you create the client ID, you get the client secret, which we add it here in the not opening. We add it here. So if you need a video or if you need any guidance on that, on the steps that we need to follow, just write it in the comments. So hope you find this useful. Do let me know in comments how you found the video or what you want to learn more. So see you in the next video. Thank you.